Welcome to digitalconstructive.com, and in this video we're going to be talking about how to get the Nevada HVAC license. Now, in the state of Nevada, there are three separate contractor license classifications. There's an A general engineering license, which covers public works and large-scale engineering projects. You have a B general building license, which covers residential and commercial construction. And then you have C specialty classifications, which are separate licenses for roofing, plumbing, HVAC, electrical, etc. Now, the HVAC license, known as the C21, falls under the C specialty classification. Now, who needs to have an HVAC contractor license in Nevada? Anyone bidding on HVAC installation, repair, or maintenance projects over $500 in labor or materials. In Nevada, there are 7 subclassifications under the C21 license, which are for different areas of HVAC. Now, in this video, we're only going to be talking about the C21 HVAC license. If you get this license, it allows you to bid on all 7 of those subclassifications. If you'd like to see the full list of the subclassifications, you can check out the link to the description in this video. Now, the basic requirements for a Nevada contractor license are that you're at least 18 years of age. You've got to have a valid driver's license or USAID. You'll need a social security number, and you can't currently be on probation or parole. You'll also need to be a legal business entity. The experience requirements are that you have at least 4 years full-time journey level experience in HVAC within the last 10 years. You've got to have a qualifying person who can verify that experience, and you've got to be able to submit a description of work experience along with your application. Now, who can you use to sign off on that experience? You could use employers, foremen or supervisors, journeymen, licensed HVAC contractors, union representatives, building inspectors, architects or engineers, and in some cases, clients or customers. Now, how long does it take to get licensed in Nevada? This fluctuates based on a variety of different factors. It can take anywhere from 3 to 6 months. Typically, you fill out an application, you pass an exam, and you pay your bond, and then you get your license. Now, you have to pass the Nevada Construction Management Survey in addition to a trade exam. This exam covers Nevada construction law. You get 120 minutes, it's 60 questions, you need a 75% passing score, and you'll get 3 chances to pass the exam. You get 2 weeks between each exam date if you fail. Now, the topics covered in this exam cover licensing, estimating and bidding, lien law, financial management, tax laws, labor laws, project management, contracts, risk management, environmental safety and health department regulations, occupational safety, and construction regulations. Now, all of this is going to be Nevada state specific. So if you're looking for practice exams and study guides to help you prepare, you can check out the links to the description in this video. Now, the HVAC trade topics include piping and insulation, hangers and supports, heating and cooling principles, load calculations, ventilation and exhaust safety, controls, fuel systems, ducts, testing, adjusting, and balancing, and combustion air. Now, there's a lot of other topics that are going to be on the trade test. Again, for practice exams and study guides, check out the links to the description in this video. Now, how much does it cost to get licensed in Nevada? You're going to pay a state application fee. You'll pay a license activation fee and then a renewal fee every 2 years. You'll pay for the cost of fingerprinting. You'll pay a contractor bond fee, and then you'll pay a residential recovery fund fee. Now, for more information on what is the residential recovery fund, what are the most up-to-date costs to get licensed in Nevada, check out the links in the description of this video. You'll also obviously pay for testing fees. Now, again, thanks for watching. This has been a brief look at the Nevada HVAC contractor license. For more information on the license and other licenses in Nevada, check out the link in the description of this video. For additional information on getting licensed, bonded, trade skills, and more, like and subscribe to our channel and drop any questions that you have in the comments. But again, this is digitalconstructive.com, and thanks again for watching.